So what's up mga bossing? Here we go again. We got another cool toy here to unbox. So this one is a little beat up. So as you can see sa mga box niya. And this time is shout out to our good friends Ronald Martin. If you know him, kasi sa mga sellers sa meron siyang toy store sa Green Hills. So if you need some cool toys, just message him sa kanyang Facebook. So yeah, this one is, he just gave it to us for free. So sa mga items na nabili natin, dinagdag niya lang to. Kaya, that's cool. So, I just want to share it to you guys. So let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So another Kamen Riders here. Very cool. Nice, ha? So parang siyang F1 car. Yung kanyang pinaka-design ng costume niya. Okay, let's see what's inside. Very cool, very cool. So far. Galing. Ang ganda ng nito. So here you go, meron siyang manual dito. Okay, yung mga wheels. So yung parang yung mga wheels niya. So ito yung parang mga sa sasakyan. Right? It's all in Japanese. Okay, nothing here. Okay. Nice. Solid na solid. Okay, here you go. So, kanyang mga accessories. So, it's plastic. It's not rubber. It's a wheels. Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang spoiler. I think, no, it's like in the front, right? Front of the car. And at the back. Okay. So I guess this is the weapon. Like a blaster. And transport, they call it blaster. Okay, that one is cool. Okay, let's see the main figure. Nice. Classic details. That was really cool. Look at the glasses. Very nice. Medyo loose lang kayang mga articulation, but there's still a lot, right? See? You can twist that legs. Yeah. And yeah, there's another one here. It's really cool. I like the color. It's got a little yellow here on the helmet. So that's nice. What do you guys think? Right? It's really cool. Just yeah, but yeah, we can see we need the other red one. So hopefully we can find it. So this one is, yeah, of course, made in Bandai. Okay, let me see what year this was released. I don't see anything here. Hopefully we can find the red one on eBay. Maybe just to complete. So this is 2014. So let's assemble. Let's see things we can do on this. Okay, let me see. There you go. The other hand. So siguro, if you guys know this character, siguro nagiging sasakyan siya. Transform to an F1 car. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Kakagrip yung kanyang kamay. Can do some. Can grip the. And do some action here. Some school pose. Okay, so there you go, mga bossing. That's really cool toys, right? So if you guys, so what do you guys think about it? Just let me know. Just comment down below. At kahit ano pa yan, at about this video, let me know, mga bossing. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to subscribe now and hit that bell notification icon. And of course, if you like this video, click the like buttons. At share nyo na rin sa inyong mga friends, sa other toy collectors friend. We got tons and tons of cool Japanese toys to unbox. And some, of course, some He-Man and some McFarlane's, I believe, some McFarlane's and some Hasbro toys to unbox. So there you go, my bossing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.